Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at the all-new 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This is the Sun Deck model. It's absolutely gorgeous, massive boat. This boat is equipped with a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado engine. It's supercharged and has quiet ride technology. Here in the aft, we have an aft facing bench, cup holders, we have a ski tow bar, and here on the side we have our walkthrough so you never step foot on the upholstery. The flooring is infinity woven flooring, comes in multiple pieces, and it's snap out, quick and easy to clean. Here in the bow, again, your traditional Sun Deck interior. A lot of nice space, a lot of room. Comes with two Fusion speakers here in the bow. Here in your co-captain chair, you have a nice seat, flip-up bolster, flips down. You also have a bench that flips back and forth, so you can sit facing the back of the boat. As you can see, a nice full wraparound bench, plenty of seating, and then more seating behind the helm. There's storage under every seat. Here at the helm, same style seat, flip up or down bolster, and the backrest here flips forward or back. Here at the helm, this boat is equipped with active trim. Basically trims the boat for you so you don't have to trim it up or down while driving. Here we have a Fusion head unit and just a gorgeous helm all around. This boat is also equipped with a restroom. Decent area inside there with a sink and a small window. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Come check out this brand new 2019 270 SDX or one of our other models here in stock.